Okay, this is showing using a stamp to shape your Sculpt mold to look like a rock formation. You'll see some little pictures of some final results at the end of this little clip. This is a very short one. I've pre-mixed some Sculpt mold, and I do add a little paint to it just to give it some color. Otherwise, if it's all white, it's hard to see the detail. So this is a little bit soft yet. I like to let it firm up pretty good. But I'm going to go ahead and stamp this anyways. You just take the stamp. You can kind of see, I made several of these. This is my first one. And you just take and you press it into the Sculpt mold. Kind of firm. You kind of see it spreading out already. And you pull it out. You can kind of see what it does. You can see the rock already. And just work your way down as much as you want. There it is. And there's this end. You can kind of do as much as you want. I'm going to go back and flatten this out a little bit because I did kind of smash it a little bit. There, if you kind of look at it, you can kind of see what we got. You can see the detail of the rock. So, and then you can go ahead and do the top. You can just keep working your way around the item. Do the bottom. And you can do it as many times as you want till you get the feel, you get the detail you want. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. It's one stamp there per area. You can kind of see it. I'm going to try and hold this back a little further so you can kind of see all the rock in there. It looks great. And then I'm going to let this dry overnight. It's very thick, very thick. And then we'll paint it. And that's all there is to using this little stamping tool.